Hey guys, and welcome back to the Toasty Toast channel. And today we are going to be playing some more Slime Rancher episode 9. So what we're doing today is we're unlocking the dock, seeing what's up, trying to see what we can do with the glass desert, try to figure all that out. So without further ado, let's get the docks. And well, that's really just about that. Let's just see what's in it. Rubber duckies. This is actually the water slime's favorite toy. So basically there's more places. Alright, what's down here? Nothing. I think the place is just for more space. I don't know if it's that useful, but the rubber ducky toy is good, so now we can have 5 puddle slimes. So actually you can have 3 puddle slimes, but with any toy, you can make it 4 puddle slimes. But with their favorite toy, the duck, you can make it 5 puddle slimes that you can carry. So let's get this and go give it to our little slime friends, because they will love this. Alright, almost there. Rubber ducky. This is their favorite toy. So I just want to have fun. Alright, so that looks very good. They need to be fed, so I'm just going to go feed them some chickens. There you go. Eat all you can. And there you go. So, let's just wait and let this soak up. Alright. So, that's all good. Let's just get this. I'd say let's get some more puddle slimes, like 1 more puddle slime. That's literally all we need. They are pretty feral, so yeah, they're definitely the rooster, our favorite. I'm actually gonna get rid of all my chickens right now, because we can always get some more. There you go, guys. Eat all of them. And let's sell all this. And I'd say let's just head out. Good. Yeah, they like that definitely. Let's go get a 5th puddle slime. Let's just carry it in our inventory. And yeah, so the glass desert, as you saw, has all those like rainbow colors, orbs that kind of look like plorts. But then if you look at it, it feels like it would open up like a portal, or unless it's just a gate. So I think to get in there, you need to unlock the other gate with the slime key that we found by feeding the cat largo, which leads to these things where you can put to get the glass desert, which allows you to open it, which where our fire slimes are, and I already got an incinerator and pogo fruit farm next to it to burn to feed the fire slimes. So that's my theory. Probably isn't correct, but that's just what I'm guessing. So let's head over to the place where we almost got into the glass desert. Just down here. We also need to watch out for some hunter slime, because they come out at night in this area. Alright, so this is where we are. Actually, wait. That looks like that, so that way that one's glowing, but none of them are. So, wait, do you need to like activate them with filling their eyes? Let me check if the other one's eyes are filled. What plort would that be, though? Like a, not a boom, like a thought. No, with the, actually, like a boom. A boom plort, maybe. For that one. Then when that, does it open that? Or does it give you like a key? That could be like a puddle slime plort. That could be a rad slime. And this could be another puddles. Or like a rock slime. Yeah, rock slime for that one. A phosphor slime there, actually. Yes. Rad slime. Just normal pink slime's already activated. And the boom slime right there. Oh wait, what's over here? Wait, that looks more like a rad slime. I'd say that'd be a red. No, that one's green. So this is like, what is that? I don't know. There's no puddle slime. So, I'm still confused about that one, but I want to test our theory. Let's go get a rock slime plort. Or no, a boom plort. Rare chick, no. You eat, what do you eat? Fruit? Alright. There's a pogo fruit right here. So I'm gonna feed you actually. I want your plort. I'm also gonna take you just in case. What if I put the slime itself into it? Would that do anything? Actually. Yes! There we go. Alright, this isn't too bad. It's actually very easy. We need meat. Oh, we have herons. Their favorite, actually. So let's get a boom plort. And I want your plorts. So it's not the slime, it's the plorts. And like, I don't know, you can have that. Let's go over to the boom slime, or what we think is the boom slime, and let's see if this works. Yes! Alright, we're actually doing this. So that's a... Is that a puddle slime? I think that'll be a puddle slime. That's a tabby, right? Oh, that's a tabby, probably. No, rock. The rock's the blue. Alright. I still don't know what that is. Honey! Honey slime. So then, okay. So that's honey slime. That's a rock or tabby. Pretty sure that's the rocks. No, that's the rock slime. That's the rad slime. And that's the... Would that be the... Rad slime. No, that's red slime. Rock slime. Honey slime. Alright. Gonna look at all the ones that aren't activated. This is the rock slime. I already know that. That's a rad slime. So you have the rock and the rad. That's the honey slime. Where's that last stone statue, though? It wouldn't be that. Wait. A tabby slime maybe fits in there. I don't know. Alright. Well, let's go get, so we need a rad slime, rock slime, a rad slime, a rock slime, a honey slime. Those are all at base. Let's try this tabby port. I fit there? No. It needs to be rock slime. Like, if you look at that, it looks like a silver. That looks like the, well, pretty close. Like, look at. Did you see a similarity in that? Unless. I don't know. Honey slime spawn here, actually. They eat fruits. So feed it a Q-berry. Now let's go get that fruit. Honey slime do spawn here. Alright, let's go look for some honey slimes. Oh no! Get away. Any honey? I don't think so. Okay, let's go back to base. For now. Once our stamina repairs. Alright. I'm gonna get a rad plort, a rock plort, and a honey plort. And we'll just have to find out what the last one is. Okay, we're almost there. Oh, we want a rooster. That's the hunter sun's here food. That's a phosphorus slime plort. We don't really need that. Rock slimes. Eat veggies. Honestly, we don't really care about you. Because you have our base. Rock. Okay, now we don't need it, actually. So, we also need a, honey plort and the rad plort, which we can only get at base. So let's hurry up and get that. Okay, I'm also gonna get this plort just in case. I think it won't be, but just in case, because they're both blue. But the rock plort, that's like a rock statue, so I'm pretty sure it's the rock. Did you get any plorts for me? Honestly. Actually, no, I know it's not. I know it's not. So, now that we have that figured out, I think we're good to go back once I feed these. And actually, no, or keep them so they lay more roosters, which will let me feed my hunter times more and more and more, so I can get their favorite food, so I get more and more money. That's what I think. Alright. So you actually don't need to go into that key room with the slime key, I think. But I'm still gonna unlock it just because like it's a new part of the map, and who doesn't want that? So now let's go back. We're almost there. We have the red plort, and can I make a radioactive honey slime? Yeah, probably. I'm gonna try it over here. Like a radioactive phosphor. Radioactive boom slime. That sounds very dangerous. Any boom slime? No, don't want to do that. That'll cause a tar. Eat that. A radioactive boom slime. Probably the most deadly thing ever. Alright, we have a red plort. Honey. Yes. Alright. Radioactive. What? No, I missed. How did I do that? Yes. Rock plort, please be it. If it's a puddle. No, it's a rock, yes. There's only one more. Where? So now we just need to look for a statue that's not glowing, because every other one's glowing. Is it in there? I think that's what it is. So you do need to go in there, maybe. Well, I honestly don't know what to do. So, well, I think that we did pretty well. Well, actually, no. I think, now I'm thinking about it a bit more. I wonder, like, what it actually is. Like, that looks like a tabby. Alright, so we got energy. Actually. Alright. 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 Okay. So, sorry for the background noises and mute of my mic. Just try to focus, and I really wanted to think about it out loud, and I didn't want you to just to hear me going, No, it's just that I was talking to my dad, so. Yeah, we're just heading out to base with a new puddle slime. Now that we have 5, we can make 5 ports at once, basically. Lots of ports. But I think once we get back, that'll be the end of the episode. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, subscribe to the Toasty Toes channel. And, well, I'll see you guys in the next video. So, by the way, make sure to subscribe to Phantom Muffin's channel. And, well, without further ado, see you guys. I'll see you next time on the Toasty Toast channel. Peace!